For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. In today's digital age, artificial intelligence, AI, is not just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can help you create streams of passive income. From content creation to investing, AI has democratized the ability to automate work and scale profits. But how can you use it practically? Let's break it down into a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Understand what passive income really means. Passive income is money earned with minimal ongoing effort. It usually involves upfront work, either time, money, or both, and then earns money while you sleep. Common examples include rental income, stock dividends, royalties, or automated online businesses. AI makes it easier than ever to create and automate such income streams. Step 2. Identify AI tools you can use. Before diving into strategies, get familiar with popular AI tools that can help generate passive income. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, for content generation, coding, and automation. Midjourney, DALL-E, Leonardo AI, for AI-generated art and products. Pictory, Synthesia, Lumen 5, for creating automated videos. Canva with AI tools, for designing products like planners or workbooks. AI trading bots, e.g. Pionex, KRYL, for automated cryptocurrency trading. AutoGPT, Agent GPT, for setting up AI agents to perform business tasks. Jasper, Copy.ai, WriteSonic, for marketing, ads, and blog content. Choose a niche and tools based on your skills, budget, and interests. Step 3. Choose a passive income strategy, AI-assisted. Here are several proven AI-powered passive income ideas to choose from. 1. AI-generated ebooks and courses. Use AI to write ebooks, create workbooks, or design self-study courses. Use ChatGPT or Claude to outline and write content. Design covers with Canva AI or Midjourney. Sell on Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or Teachable. Passive element. Once created, digital products sell 24/7 with no inventory. 2. YouTube automation with AI. Launch a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools. Script writing, ChatGPT, Jasper. Voiceovers, 11 Labs. Play.ht. Video creation, Pictory. In video, Synthesia. Create top 10 lists, news summaries, or educational videos. Automate uploads using schedulers. Passive element. Once videos are live, they generate ad revenue, affiliate income, or course leads. 3. Print on demand with AI designs. Create and sell t-shirts, mugs, or posters using AI-generated art. Use Midjourney or DALL-E to create designs. Upload to Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful. Promote with AI-generated Pinterest pins or Instagram posts. Passive element. No inventory or shipping. Everything is handled by the print-on-demand platform. 4. Blogging plus AI content plus affiliate marketing. Start a niche blog and use AI to scale content creation. Generate SEO-optimized blog posts with ChatGPT or Jasper. Add affiliate links to Amazon, Bluehost, or niche products. Use Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer to optimize posts. Passive element. Traffic builds over time, and affiliate income becomes recurring. 5. Automated investing via AI bots. Let AI manage your money in the background. Use robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront. Try crypto bots, e.g. Pionex, for automated trading strategies. Use AI stock screeners like Trade Ideas or TrendSpider. Passive element. The AI trades and rebalances for you. 6. License AI-generated assets. Generate music, art, stock photos, or 3D models with AI and license them. Create music with SoundDraw or Ampermusic. Sell on Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, or Audio Jungle. Passive element. Royalties and sales continue with no further work. Step 4. Build the asset. Once you've chosen your strategy, focus on building the actual asset that will generate income. Examples. Write 5 to 10 blog posts using AI. Create 10 to 20 AI-generated designs for print on demand. Upload 5 to 10 YouTube videos made with AI. Invest 1 to 4 weeks in building your initial library of content or products. Tip: don't skip quality control. AI is a tool, not a magic wand. Edit and refine your outputs. Step 5. Automate and scale. After your income stream is live, scale it. Here's how. Use Zapier or Make to connect tools, e.g., auto-upload new designs or videos. Use AutoGPT to automate recurring research or data scraping. Use AI social media tools, e.g., Puretis.ai, Okoya, to auto-schedule posts. Hire a virtual assistant to monitor performance. This phase turns your active work into passive earnings. Step 6. Promote using AI. Promotion is critical to generate income. AI can help here too. Generate social media posts and hashtags with ChatGPT. Create reels with Pictory or CapCut AI. Run automated ad campaigns using AdCreative.ai. Set up systems to drive traffic to your store, blog, channel, or course automatically. Step 7. Track, optimize, and repeat. Success with passive income comes from iteration. Use Google Analytics, YouTube Studio, Etsy Analytics, or affiliate dashboards to track performance. Ask AI for suggestions to improve conversion rates. Split test thumbnails, headlines, or prices using AI tools like Headline Studio or Canva's AI tools. As profits come in, reinvest into new products, better AI tools, or outsourcing. Step 8. Diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Once your first AI-powered stream is running smoothly, add another niche blog. Expand your product catalog. Try YouTube or start a newsletter. Combine strategies, e.g., write a blog that promotes your print-on-demand store. The more streams you have, the more stable and scalable your income becomes. Step 9. Stay updated and keep learning. AI evolves fast. Stay informed about new tools and use cases. Follow AI newsletters and YouTube channels. Join online communities, Reddit, Discord, etc. Keep experimenting with new monetization strategies. What works today may be outdated tomorrow, so always be learning. Final thoughts: from hustle to hands-free. AI is like a team of assistants working 24/7 once you learn to leverage it correctly. The beauty of AI-assisted passive income is that it allows individuals with limited time, technical skills, or capital to start earning online. While the income won't be instant or effortless at first, over time it becomes increasingly hands-free. Start with one strategy, keep it simple, and iterate. The sooner you begin, the more momentum you'll build. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.